Santa?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, what's going on?
You
Welcome,
got it,
man.
bro, man. Hey, it's been a long time coming, Chicago brother.
How you
Yes, sir.
doing?
I'm all right. I'm all right. You know what I'm saying? I'm feeling as legendary as your hat right now. You know?
Why is everyone getting a Pixel 4a except for me? I don't
I,
understand.
I don't know. It was a mystery to me that they sent me an email because I'm like, me? At all people, as much crap as I talked about the way it looked.
No, man. I mean, you know what though? Good for you, man. Good for you. I'm glad. I'm glad.
Appreciate
How are you feeling about this Pixel 4a?
Well, from the specs of it, the price point and the storage, I'm intrigued.
Sure.
I'm very much intrigued. To 128 for 350.
And speaking, oh, look at this guy. Look at this guy with his name. Hashtag Team Pixel right here.
Boy, I tell you, boy.
Hey, don't ever give a Puerto Rican a blade because you know it's unboxing time. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna look. I was gonna save this for my channel, but since you have so many subscribers, I figured I'll jump over here, get some of yours, get some of Tana's, maybe some of Easy's. You know, some of MKBHD, ABCDFG. It don't matter
There
to
you
me.
go.
Man, it says Jerome Ortega.
Get out of here.
Oh,
Would you
it don't
shut
matter.
up?
I mean, I got it. You know what I mean? So let's get into it. Tana, did you get yours?
Man, I'm still waiting.
No.
It's on the truck, man. I'm having unboxes anxiety right now, bro.
Man, the guy at FedEx told me when I walked in, he goes, I knew I would see you today. He goes, I knew you were getting something today. Okay, you got a lot
Is that
lot of
box
paper.
bigger than normal? You're getting extra stuff in there, aren't you?
This is a pretty big box.
That's a big box. You know they gave you more than just the Pixel 4a.
No. It looks like it's only the phone.
Okay.
You know?
Okay.
Where's my camera? Sorry, I'm on the iPad, so I'm not used to this Apple crap. Ooh.
Not the
live unboxing. Oh, you ready? You ready?
Oh man,
This guy.
Oh, the presentation is epic, I swear.
There you go. It's small, little tiny box.
Ah,
all right, Jerome, I got to get out of here. No,
I was like, what? No, don't do that. Don't do that. People are here to watch the unboxing.
All right, so you got the legit right there. Get from Google, Team Pixel in the building, Android stud. That's how we do it, you know. That's it. Jerome, I could get probably 4 of these and still have money left over for like a steak compared to your Huawei phone.
Yeah, I get it. I know. 1300. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. No,
yeah, you did the math real quick.
no, just about 4. About 4.
All right, you ready? Ooh, there it is.
Oh, hold up.
Okay, here's the moment.
You got to do that so slow. I'm going to edit this video later and play
Hey, that's that box tension.
Such a tease.
Whoa, hey, whoa.
Oh.
The camera is so cute. It's like a little tiny Pixel 4 XL.
It is. It really does. It's
wow, the phone is small, man. It is tiny.
Oh, wow, it is.
It is, man. How big is the Huawei?
One.
The Huawei, my Huawei is 6 point. I forget now. It's big. It's way big. If you compare it to my iPhone 11 Pro, like that's the size. That's the extra size to it. Do you have the Pixel 4 on you, Leo?
No, I don't have it anymore.
Oh, I was gonna be like, you could at least compare the two.
I know. Yeah, so it comes with the charging brick. It's got the Type-C cable.
Yep.
And then you got the little ever so useful adapter so that you can transfer your footage, whatever you want to do.
I wonder who uses that. I don't even use that. I've never used it.
You know, I use it when I set up the phone initially because I'm opposite to you. I never start my phone brand new. I transfer everything every single time.
Do you really? Yeah. I was just like starting fresh.
I have text messages from like high school. You know, that was a long time ago.
Get out of here. No, you don't. You don't have text messages from my Shut up.
Yo, girl, where you at? Yeah, it's so cute. It's like a little, a cute phone.
That is a small phone.
It is very small. Okay, so we're going to fire this up. Jerome, I'm doing this for you.
I appreciate it, man. You don't have to.
Okay, here we go. You ready for it? Now, all right. Silence. You ready for the plastic?
Stay quiet.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. I think they did save on the plastic, though.
Yeah.
Oh.
And a hip.
Okay. So we're going to fire it up.
So definitely a one-handed phone, right?
Yes, easily one-handed. Full screen.
Wow, look at that! Look at
Kinda,
that! Look at that display. It looks so much better than the Pixel 4 already. Just it
Yeah.
looks so symmetric compared to the Pixel 4.
Yes, kind of a little reminiscent of a S10e.
I like it. It looks that form factor looks great.
And no blue screen so far. All right.
No,
Yeah,
We're
no,
not blue.
no blue screen.
Yeah.
we're not blue. Okay, we're still booting up though. There we go.
Wow, look at that.
Nice.
That's
Okay.
the Pixel I know. Leo, I need you to tell me exactly what you told Google about me. Why this is why they can't send me the phone. I know that you've been like feeding them info or something because like Google just
Yeah,
does not
I
care for
said-
me anymore.
Look, the guy he's just blowing up too big. We're gonna have to shut him down.
Yeah, I don't
Send
know
me the
about
phone.
that.
You know, it's a small phone, but I thought I was gonna be like, oh, this is too damn small for me to use.
Uh-huh.
But it's all freaking screen.
Yeah,
All
it
screen.
is. I mean, when you compare that phone to like when you compare that screen to the new iPhone SE 2020, it's night and
Yeah,
day,
that-
obviously.
Yeah, now
That's
the
clean, man. That looks so clean.
That
Yep.
screensaver is pretty legit right there, brother.
yeah,
Man.
you know we got to go into the camera, so we're gonna take a little shot of our screen. There we go, little portrait. So if you guys want
There
to
you go.
hold on, give me a pose there, Jerome. Give me a little something.
I don't
Skinny jean
I don't
style.
pose.
Just give me
I'm
two fingers. Give me two fingers. Give me that good smile of yours. There you go. All right, good.
Okay, Oddweight has a really good question here. He's asking, how are the haptics? I don't know if you can give that a shot. I don't know
Yeah,
if you
let's
remember
see.
what the haptics are like on your Pixel 4.
They were pretty good.
That's actually a really good question.
It's pretty good. I mean, it's not bad. I mean, it's not like terrible. It does have haptic on it out of the box. The screen gets bright, but you have to kick it up a little bit.
Yeah, I heard
But
that the
that's
screen,
typical of
right.
that's typical of Pixel phones. I don't know if they do that to guard against burning, like the OnePlus phones and the Samsung phones. You could have it on 20%,
Pump that brightness,
and it's still
yeah.
bright. Yeah, it's still bright. So
Facts.
got the fingerprint display on the back, old
That's
school.
my favorite. That's my favorite.
You know, that's the post-COVID security now, because you have this on, face unlock don't work.
Yep. Exactly.
You know, it doesn't matter what iPhone you have or what other phone you have.
Plus you have the rear fingerprint reader, you have dual speakers on it, right? 120
It does
gigs of internal
help. It does help
storage.
that it's full screen. That helps it a lot.
Yeah. No, that looks
Because
awesome.
it's definitely a. Now the build. Let's talk about the build a little bit. It's it's not premium. It's not super premium. You know, it feels like a $350, $400 phone.
Right.
Not like glass, like a Note 10 Plus or a OnePlus 8 Pro. Even your Huawei, I'm sure, is very premium. Feels like it'll be powerful with the, the camera is what makes this phone worth it. For $350, you can't really beat it. I think that's what it has over the SE is the screen, real estate, the camera,
and
I believe the battery is bad on the SE. I heard.
Yeah, so
I haven't had it.
What I read two different articles yesterday, and so Dieter on The Verge said he was getting around 4.5 hours of screen on time and getting a full day's worth of battery. But David Ruddick on Android Police was saying he was getting 6 hours of screen on time, which sounds crazy. He said he was even able to push 8 hours, but I don't know what kind of conditions he was getting 8 hours of screen on time. I just can't see that happening though.
Not the way I use it.
That doesn't make any sense.
It doesn't make sense to me either. But you should take that for a test run too, Leo. You too, Tana, when you get yours, to see how good the battery lasts you.